welcome to At School. I am teacher Jolie. Today we're going to learn how to introduce other people using the verb be. We'll practice how to introduce people by saying this is, he is, she is, they are, and much more. You will listen to a short conversation, practice pronunciation, and complete a fun quiz at the end. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi, John.
Hi, Lisa. It's good to see you. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. I just finished my class. And you?
I'm good. Just relaxing a little. Oh, Lisa, this is Anna.
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
Anna is my student. She's from Brazil.
Oh, that's cool. I'm from Argentina.
Really? I love Argentina. Where in Argentina are you from?
I'm from Buenos Aires. It's a big and beautiful city.
Yes. Buenos Aires is amazing. Anna, Lisa is also studying English here.
That's nice. So we are classmates, right?
Yes, we are. We're both students.
That's right. And now you're friends too.
Perfect. Let's have some coffee together.
Great idea. Let's go.
Now, let's look at how we can introduce other people using the verb be. When we introduce someone, we say, this is, plus the person's name. When describing people or things, we use the correct form of the verb be after the subject. For one person, we say, I am, he is, she is, it is, or you are. And for more than one, we say, we are, you are, or they are. For example, this is my teacher, John. He is from the United States. She is my friend. You are a great student. We are classmates. They are from Argentina. Remember, practice using am, is, and are every day to talk about yourself and others. Here are some useful words from the dialogue. Repeat them slowly and try to memorize. Friend, classmates, together, beautiful, amazing. That's nice. Great idea. Let's test your English skills. Can you complete these sentences? Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. This is my teacher. She is from Brazil. They are students. You are my classmate. We are friends. Excellent work. Now you can introduce other people using the verb be. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the next lesson. Only here on At School, where English is made simple for everyone.